Hello, my name's Braden. I'm doing a repair test and a color matching test for Timothy's roof to see if this shingle right here that is creased along the top, if when repaired, see if it damages the shingles around it, or to see if the color matches from the OTTO report that came back. So just pulls right out. You can tell very brittle up here. Let's get the rest of the nails out of here. All right. Show it right here. As I'm coming out to take the nails out, it's very brittle, and it's already causing the surrounding shingles to crease, to be damaged. If you see right here, you have that crease around the top of this shingle, over here in the corner, and then also all along the top right here on these creases as well. Right, we'll go ahead and put the nails in. the rest of the shingle. Trying not to bend the shingle over a 45-degree angle the whole time I'm doing the repair, just to show repairability. Alright, I only put the nails on the first layer. When I got to put the nails on the second layer, it's going to obviously cause damage up here to this shingle, just like it did to this shingle. And we also have some more down here that need to be repaired as well. They're also creased from the wind all around the roof. And so if I try to do repair to these, obviously it's going to cause damage to the shingles around it. And if you look at the shingle from this direction, it obviously doesn't match the color of the roof. It's very, very bright color. The rest of the roof is faded. If you were to do a repair like this up on the front slope, then it's going to cause too much of a difference in color to where potential HOA issues doesn't meet the Florida codes as well.